Today, I'm going to walk you through how to remove the Pro Features error when you're exporting a video on CapCut. If you've ever tried to export your project and gotten that frustrating message, you know how it can stall your creativity right in its tracks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how to identify and fix the issue so you can export your video smoothly. No hiccups, no hidden paywalls popping up last minute. Let's dive in and troubleshoot together. First, we're going to look closely at the heart of your CapCut project, the timeline. Take your time with this step. Don't rush it. Go through each layer and effect in your timeline one by one. You're looking for anything labeled as a Pro feature. CapCut marks these special assets because they're not available in the free plan. You might spot a sticker, a filter, or an effect with a small Pro watermark, sometimes in the corner of the thumbnail or preview. If you come across one, you'll need to delete it. Or, better yet, replace it with a free alternative that fits your creative vision. Remember, CapCut's free library is quite rich, so if you swap out a Pro transition for a free one, your video can still look polished and dynamic. Think of it like replacing a gourmet ingredient in a recipe with something from your pantry. You may discover a new favorite along the way. If you're finding it tough to spot what's causing the error, don't worry. Here's a helpful troubleshooting trick. Try exporting your video in smaller sections. Just select one clip at a time and export. When the export fails, you'll know that particular part of your timeline contains a Pro feature triggering the error. This process might feel a bit slow, but it's highly effective, kind of like checking each fuse in a fuse box rather than guessing which one went out. Hang in there. With patience, you'll find the culprit. Now, once you've handled the content side, let's check your performance and export settings inside CapCut. Sometimes, hardware settings can also interfere with exports, especially if your device is pushing too hard to speed things up. To adjust these settings, click on the menu in the top corner, then go to Settings and choose Performance. Here, you'll see an option for Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Make sure to uncheck that box. Disabling this can help the export process run smoother, especially on computers or phones that might get overwhelmed by intensive tasks. Don't forget to click Save before you exit. These options might sound technical, but think of them as the gears under the hood. They help control the tempo and stability of your export process. Once you've made these changes, go ahead and try exporting your video again. Fingers crossed. This time, you shouldn't run into that Pro features error. If you do, retrace your steps and make sure every Pro asset is removed or replaced. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide has helped you solve the issue so you can share your creative work without roadblocks. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or comments below. I'm always happy to help out. Subscribe for more deep dive tutorials on editing and creative tools. Thanks for watching and happy editing.